In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail using Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Once there, you can either sign in if you already have an account, or you'll need to create one. Simply click on the sign in button on the top right corner of the page. If you use Microsoft for logins, there's an option to continue with your Microsoft account, which is a convenient way to sign in quickly. Just follow the prompts to select your Microsoft account and you'll be directed to the Clipchamp homepage. Now that you're at the home screen of Clipchamp, what you want to do is click on Create a New Video. This will open up the editing interface, which is where the magic happens. The first step here is to bring in your media. Click on Import Media to upload the images or clips you want to use for your thumbnail. Once your media is uploaded, you can simply drag and drop it onto the timeline below. Think of this timeline as your workspace, where you can arrange and edit the elements that will compose your thumbnail. With your media now on the timeline, it's time to finesse it into the perfect thumbnail. You can resize or crop your image to fit the frame or highlight certain parts. Next, head over to the text section found in the left-hand menu. Here you'll be presented with various text styles to choose from. Select a style that matches the tone of your thumbnail, drag it onto the timeline, and position it where appropriate. Click on the text box to edit it, customizing the font, size, and color to make it as eye-catching as possible. Beyond just text, you might want to enhance your thumbnail with effects or color adjustments. Clipchamp offers a ton of effects, so you can give your image that extra pop. Don't forget, you can always explore the templates available in Clipchamp. Simply click on Templates and then select YouTube to browse pre-designed thumbnails. If something catches your eye, select it and click on Add to Timeline to include it in your project. You can customize the template to suit your needs without starting from scratch, a great option if you're in a hurry or need some design inspiration. Once you've got your thumbnail looking just right, the final step is to export it. Look for the export option and click on it to save your completed thumbnail. You now have a personalized, professional looking thumbnail ready for uploading. Congratulations, you've just created a striking thumbnail in Clipchamp all on your own. Thanks for following along and enjoy showcasing your creative content.